I'd like you to imagine that you can earn money simply by reading texts. In this video, I will show you how to make $200 and up to $1,000 by simply reading words online. You may be asking, why should you watch this video? Well, first and foremost, it is completely free and working. Secondly, you'll learn everything you need to get started. And lastly, you will discover how much money you can make and how simple it is. In this video, I will be showing you guys a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream, so make sure to pay attention to every second of the video, because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. Like most videos I upload, this method is 100% free, and you will not be needing any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money with this method. This works worldwide also, so no matter where you are watching from right now, you will be able to use what I'm gonna show you today. Before I get to the entire step-by-step tutorial, I want you to look at this and see for yourself how much money you can make. And before we carry on, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get back to the video. I'm excited because thanks to this method, you will get to earn a lot of money just for reading words. And I'll show you exactly how it works, and you won't need any experience, technical skills, or certifications. Now consider this. $1,000 for 40 to 60 minutes worth of work is simply on the low end. As you can see right here, if we divide $1,000 by 60 minutes, that's almost $16 per minute, which is amazing. So imagine how much money you can make if you follow this same method. You must watch the video all the way through because I will show you a few techniques and tips on how to sign up, get approved, and make a lot of money. So first and foremost, I want you to open your browser, click on the address bar and type in Voicescom, where you will see something like this. This website has been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, and a lot of other huge brands and companies who pay out people on a daily basis. You will receive all payments through PayPal, a check, your bank account, or a variety of other options depending on which country you are from. So basically, they're going to provide you with a bunch of different projects from different categories on this website. And I'll show you which category you should choose. So I'll show you what it looks like once you choose your project. They'll send you the script, the templates, the book, and the words that you'll be reading word for word. You must record your voice, and they will pay you based on how long the project lasts. You can do it in 20 minutes, 1 hour, or 15 minutes. There are an infinite number of jobs available on this platform because there are numerous websites where you might accomplish some work, but others are inconsistent on Voices.com. There are so many categories, so many jobs that you can pick even if you just have 5 minutes and you don't have a lot of time. So maybe you have 10 or 15 minutes per day, you can still pick jobs that you can complete and you can easily earn a lot of money. The question that I keep getting asked is, what if I don't have a microphone? Well, do not worry, because all you need to have are some basic earbuds or even your phone. You can use your iPhone or Android phone to record your voice and it works fine. You don't have to show your face, they will only use your voice in an ebook, an audiobook, on television, or in their videos. They merely want to recruit people like you to record audio. You don't have to write anything. All you have to do is read out all of the books and screenplays that they offer you. So let's return to the website and I'll teach you how to sign up as well as how to become accepted and verified. I'll also teach you how to choose the ideal project that will pay you the most money, as well as to apply for different jobs and get paid straight after seeing this video. So for the first step, I want you to hover your cursor over the sign up button in the top right hand corner. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for free. So there are options right here. In this case, we're going to become a voice actor. So select this option and fill in the details that they're asking for, such as the name, the password, the email, and so on. So check these boxes, then click the Get Started button, and that's all you have to do to sign up. So if you sign up for a free account, you'll see a variety of jobs on your dashboard after you log in. For example, as you can see here, there are several categories that you're viewing right now. I'd like to show you which categories have the most openings and have the most payout. But wait, before we get to that point, I'd like to remind you that here at EarnPal we upload money-making methods daily. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream so you can actually reach financial freedom down the line. I put a lot of time and effort into doing the research and making these videos themselves to ensure that each one of these methods works properly. So I'd appreciate it, guys, if you go ahead and support me by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and also sharing the video with your friends, dropping a like, and also commenting down below. Now, before we carry on with the video, I'm curious as to which country you guys are from. You can go ahead and leave your country's name in the comments down below. So the first category you should choose is audiobooks, which will offer you a lot of money. The second one is explainer videos, which will also give you a lot of money. And the last but not least category is video games, which offers you a lot of money as well. So I want you to concentrate just on ebooks, explainer videos, and video games because these are the top 3 categories with the most jobs and also pay the most money with the least amount of effort. So for example, if we choose audiobooks, you'll be taken to a page where you can see a lot of the different people that work in this category and make a lot of money. And as you can see, individuals from all around the world are doing this job. And right now you can see in the language area, they are welcoming individuals with different languages from all over the world. So no matter where you guys are from, there are so many employment chances and opportunities on this website. And you can start reading scripts now on Voicescom. So if you want to make more money, you should choose a work that lasts at least 60 minutes. So for the time being, I'd like to show you some of the accessible career prospects. After you log in, as you can see here, there are plenty of jobs that you can apply for. Let me scroll down, and as you can see, this is the number of jobs and opportunities that you can choose from every single day. So as you can see, this category pays significantly better than others. Typically, when you get a job from audiobooks, they'll offer you a script, and all you have to do is read it and record it using your phone. And you'll get paid for doing that. And the second most popular genre is video games. And this is an example of a script under video games. And as you can see, they're going to show you who the customer is and all the details that are required for the work. They will tell you what kind of voice actor they're looking for, who you will be playing as a character, and all the other elements that are vital for the job. These are some examples of the scripts that they will send you, and all you have to do is read it out loud and you will be paid for it. If you download their app from the Google Play or App Store, it will look something like this. You will be able to use voices and the logo should look something like this. You can get this app for free and you can start working right now, so better start soon because it's never too late. And that brings us to the end of the video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel, which is every day, of course. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.